If you're like me with your TTS, when you first get it, like the magnetic suspension's cool and stuff, but you know, like there's still stuff better out there. So I went ahead and I just swapped the BC racing coilovers off my GTI, and when I did that, I got this code in for the suspension like being unplugged or whatnot, and I was looking at forums and stuff, and everyone's saying like, oh, you have to buy this like adapter thingy to like trick the system, and I think it's like $100 or more, but I was just playing around on Obdeleven, which is like all the same modules and control units as Vagcom or VCDS, so you don't need, but I would definitely recommend getting Obdeleven because it's like $40 and can do everything that Vagcom can. As far as I'm aware, there might be like some like little logging differences and stuff, but yeah, as you can see, the TT is nice and low, no longer on stock suspension. I have a little like suspension code, so right now we are gonna take care of that. So I'm going to go into the app and show you exactly how to turn this code off. We just connected to the car, so we are going to head over to control units, and this is Obdeleven, and see, there's all the control units here. This will look a lot different on VCDS or Vagcom, but you'll still have all the same control units. So what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down to control unit 17 dashboard. You're going to open that, wait for it to load, and then you're going to find coding. And with coding, you'll scroll down, you see 3 different sections here, and each section has to do with, 4 different sections. Each section has to do with a different set of the main digits of the coding value that you see, 0065128. So in the first section, you're going to, at the bottom of the section, it says 0064 magnetic ride suspension, and that value is 64. So you want to take 64 out of 0065 because we're telling the car like you don't need that value, or you're turning off magnetic ride suspension. So the only value I want to have is the first one, second fuel tank characteristic all-wheel drive. And I turned off tire pressure monitoring as well because when I got new tires, it threw the system off. I didn't like it. I got different size tires. So what you need to know is you're subtracting 64 from your first 4 digits. So 00011128. So I've subtracted 64. I'm going to press done, and then I'm going to hold down on the check mark. It'll say coding accepted, and you'll see the coding value change. And I now disabled magnetic ride suspension. Boom, the code is gone. We have no other error codes, as you can see, like no VPC light or anything like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to make a quick little video on this because I saw a lot of people like spending too much money on this, and it was making me mad. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.